Monumental change is sweeping Toronto as the city gears up for the completion of several new projects in 2024, including some major transit expansions and skyline redefining additions to the cityscape. Here's a look at Toronto mega projects due for completion in 2024. Eglinton Crosstown LRT. This assessment after a string of missed deadlines for the seemingly cursed Line 5. But there is strong evidence that the line will finally enter service in 2024. The TTC's 2024 budget includes mention of the crosstown finally opening next September, a promise the public may take with a grain of salt following the many high-profile setbacks for the 19-kilometer first phase of the new route. Finch West LRT. That same 2024 TTC budget also mentions that the Finch West LRT line is also expected to enter service in September, meaning Toronto would get two entirely new east-west transit routes within the same month, completely altering how people commute across the city. Like the crosstown, Finch West has experienced delays and has missed its projected 2023 opening. The line is looking very close to completion, though, and September seems like a doable target for Metrolinx. However, any doubts about the transit agency meeting this timeline would be completely understandable. Concord CityPlace. Concord Adex Developments purchased abandoned rail lands west of the Sky Dome in 1997, with the aim of creating a new high-density community. 27 years later, 2024 will see the completion of the community's final two towers. Concord Canada House's enormous condo towers of 74 and 64 stories will stand as the tallest in the CityPlace community when finished in 2024, marking the completion of a project that is now home to thousands of residents. Portland's Flood Protection Project. Toronto will likely complete a once-in-a-generation eco-engineering project reshaping the Portlands in 2024. Which will give the city a new naturalized river mouth and human-made island. The enormous $1.25 billion Portland's Flood Protection Project has been under construction since 2018 and is finally set to conclude in 2024. A serpentine course for the new river mouth south of the Keating Channel will be flooded in the near future, and the new river course should be flowing soon after. Meanwhile, Cherry Street is being rerouted along fancy new bridges as part of the project, another component now nearing completion. Lesley Slip Lookout Park. This new public space will feature a fake beach and a lookout tower offering a new skyline vantage point. The new space was scheduled to open in spring 2023, with the date later bumped to an end of 2023 projection. Lesley Slip Lookout Park was first revealed in 2021 and is closing in on completion at the east end of the 2.8 kilometers long ship channel just north of Tommy Thompson Park, following the quays of Sugar Beach a few kilometers to the west. Lesley Slip Lookout Park will offer a sandy beach terminating in a dock wall, providing views but not access to the water. Here's hoping that next year's list of megaprojects is an entirely new crop of nominees with no repeat appearances. Share your opinion with us in the comments. And here we come to the end of the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.